Sir, myself Parag. I am from Malwa Institute of Science and Technology. I completed BE from there, and now I am working as a Python developer in Bengal Software Limited.
Okay. What is your current project?
My current project is Job Portal. It is for an institute where their registered student can log in there and see the jobs over there.
How many modules? How many type of users in job portal?
There are three types of user. First is admin, and second one is the job seeker, and third one is the for the HR. So HR can upload or see the candidates who are eligible for their jobs.
Okay. How many tables you have created on this project?
Almost 15 tables.
15 tables you have created. Okay. I am just asking about the column declaration of Django under models.py. Okay. How to declare date time field?
In models, first we import models.model, and then in that in a variable we declare models dot date field or date time field and current status.
What type of format Django will return for date time field? What type of format it will take?
It take year, month, and then date.
Year, month, and date. I want to convert this into the date, month, and years. Then what you will do?
You have to use strf time, and then you can convert it.
STR time. Okay. You have used session in Django?
Yes.
Okay. What is the syntax of session?
You request dot session, and then and when we have to get it, we will get on the same. Like while creating the session, we use the request dot session. In square bracket, we will declare the name, and after that, whatever the name we are taking from request dot post or whatever we have, and then we have to get that session. Suppose we have to get in this mode, so we will get like x is equal to request dot session and the same name.
Okay. I want to delete the particular session. Suppose that we have created 3 sessions and I want to delete only one session. What could I will write for deletion of session?
DEL request dot session and the name of that particular session.
What is the time interval of session? Default time interval?
It is 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Okay. What is the code to update the record from database?
First we take the find the record, okay, and in the same record by the unique ID we will define the fields and take the input from that. Suppose we have to change the name, so we will take the request dot post and the name of that HTML field which we have declared, and then after we save that variable.
You have used file uploading concept in Django.
Right.
What code you have write for file uploading?
Request dot files file name, request dot files file name, and we have to import file system storage, and then we have to save it fs dot save in whatever variable we are taking file system storage, and then the file name comma the name, then we can save.
What is the code to implement login operations in Django?
Login operation.
Queries. Just write just tell the queries. What query you will write for login?
Whatever the model name we have, dot objects dot filter, and we will take the input from the username as well as password.
Username comma password.
Username and the input.
What it will return? Which type of object it will return?
It will return query set.
How to check that query set is null or not?
We can take count
Method.
method.
I want to convert query set to list. Is it possible?
Query set to list. Yes, we can. We have to take empty list over there, and then after we have to append each query set in that.
Okay. Suppose that we want to get only 2 columns value from database. Then what query will write?
2 columns value.
Yeah. Roll number, name, branch, fees. I want to get only roll number, name. And what query you will write?
I don't understand.
Suppose that we have 4 columns, roll number, name, branch, fees. I want to fetch only 2 columns, roll number and name.
Roll number and name. So we will take that filter and in HTML we have to show we will give the.
I want to filter only 2 columns, not from database, not from HTML. If you use all objects.all, it will represent all columns. I want to fetch only 2 columns, roll number and name.
You will take the values list.
Values list. Okay. What you will write there?
The query of that objects filter and the values list. In bracket we will define the value like roll number and the name, and then flat is equal to true.
Okay. You have implemented Ajax in Django. Okay. How to implement Ajax? What is Ajax?
Ajax is a asynchronous JavaScript and XML. It will partially upload the data. We don't have to upload full data, so it is used to update partial data from that database.
Okay. You can write Python code under Ajax.
Python code, no, it is generally JavaScript method. So
It is only JavaScript. So
Yeah.
for server communication, for example, I want to fetch the record from database. Then you will how to connect with database using Ajax.
sorry, I don't have much practice on that.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, this would improve some little bit. Otherwise, remaining parts go.